Well, I don't know anything about air conditioning, but these guys came and helped the person clean the filters on the top. So here we go. Okay, today we're with Honest Doug's air conditioning service. This is on top of a camper. Everybody around here has campers. That's for a friend. And this mat was completely covered with cat hair. He got it all out.
Almost.
Sprayed it, almost got it out.
You can't even see through this thing.
Yeah, I couldn't even see through it. So, putting this stuff on. Because we don't have a hose, this is what we're using.
Well, we could hose it out. It's just the water's gonna go inside.
Yeah.
And
okay, so now we're gonna take this one apart. And we didn't know we were gonna do this today, but we're going to get this off of here. All right.
okay, this ain't as bad.
Yep. Okay, this ain't as bad, but it's all cat hair. It's all cat hair. Blocked the air conditioner right up. This is an air conditioner comb. Is that what you call that, Mike?
Yes.
Yep. Mike is an air conditioning expert. Smile, Mike.
Oh no. You want to fin up, and then as the stuff drops down, comb it out and get it out.
Yeah, okay.
You can't see through it. If it don't look like new, it don't work like new.
If it don't look like new, it don't work like this. You know, in the Navy we used to use Kool-Aid to clean the brass.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's going out where the drain holes are. Smooth it out pretty good.
To be honest with you, see the sunlight and the shadow?
Yeah.
We should be able to see sunlight through here, and we can't.
Try to blow out everything. That's as good as we're going to get it without hosing it off. Okay, what are we doing?
We're spraying with a penetrating oil to keep things from getting wet that don't need to be wet, so it'll repel the water. So we're spraying it inside the wire nuts and turning them up so the rain don't get in.
I see.
Because a lot of times on the air conditioners, when they have electrical storms or electrical surges, it doesn't help the compressor. The start and run capacitors for the compressor and the fan. So if they get electrical short out, most of the time one of those is bad.
Right.
So you'll check that, just spray it there, let it chase back, and it's going back to the other one. If you could get to it from here, you'd spray the front one too, but you got a hole in the side of the motor that you can actually spray into, and it will get in there. It's on the bottom. So just let that spin, and air conditioners do not cool the house. They take the heat out of the house. So if they're not taking the heat out, you come up here on the outside, you don't feel no heat, and it feels almost like air temperature, you need to clean it. Because you can't breathe. It's like having a winter coat on or a sweater. You can't breathe.
We're doing what we can without the proper tools. Get it all back together.
Well, it's going to be better than what it was.
Well, it's working. So now I just put the cover on. So that's it. I don't know anything about air conditioner, like I said, but I learned something. And all labor, there's profit. So the both of them are working. He's getting cool air again. And that is the end of the video.